Welcome to the dynamic learning hub of ExcelR at Andheri East. A prime spot conveniently located at just a 5-minute walk from LIC Andheri Metro. In our journey of over a decade, we have proudly trained over 2 lakh students. We have also been recognized by Deloitte, Silicon India, and other accreditation bodies. Experience learning like never before in our spacious and comfortable classrooms. With high-definition projectors and state-of-the-art acoustics in place, we ensure effective learning even to the farthest point in the room. The hybrid mode is a game changer as you can enjoy the benefits of a live classroom from the comfort of your home. Even if you happen to miss any classroom session, you can still attend the same session with the same trainer at the same time at your convenience, maintaining consistency in your learning progress. Want to get started? Join us for a demo or career chat over a cup of coffee at our Andheri branch. ExcelR. We don't just train, we build careers.
Yes, so the collaboration with ExcelR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives.
The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets.
So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if ExcelR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
It was a great course and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with ExcelR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our technical fest Atmos, and I thank ExcelR for being a part of it.
Good evening, everyone. Hope all are doing good. Yeah, today we have our trainer, Samba sir. Yes, sir, you can carry on with the session.
2 minutes, sir. Chandana, wait for the 2 minutes. Hello, Chandana,
Yes, sir.
for the 2 minutes, sir.
Okay.
Hello, is it audible? Hello, can you talk with me? Is it audible? No. Yeah. See this one here. No. Sir, can you tell few programming languages? Sir, please tell me. Can you tell few programming languages? Whatever the programming languages you know. Please tell few programming languages. Sir, answer. What are the few programming languages? C. Sir, respond. C. C++. Next one. Java. Java. Next one. Sir, reply, sir. Reply with the chat message. Can you please reply with the chat message? C, C++, Java. Next one is the Java. Next one is the Python. Java, Python, and like this also, so many programming languages are available. And one more thing. Sir, please put the focus on, I think, whatever the logical questions we have, whatever the Accenture paper we have, that Accenture paper, I will explain with the 4 languages. One is the C, another thing is the C++, and another thing is the Java, and another thing is the Python. Fine. Now try to see this one. Now, let me go to the C language. Sir, in a C language, how to display data? In a C language, how to display the data? How to display data on console? Sir, see this one. To display data on console. Here we have one ready-made function, then that function we can call printf function. We have one ready-made function, then that function we can call printf function. Printf here, hello, welcome to code cracking. Fine. Now see this one. Next one, automatically we're able to display the data on the console. So not only display, I wanted to provide some inputs. So how we can provide the inputs? To provide inputs, we have one predefined function, then that function we can call scanf function. We have one predefined function, then that function we can call scanf function. Sir, can you please answer it again here? Sir, how to display data on console? Sir, respond all the people whoever there in the online or YouTube or Zoom. Please tell me how to display data on the console with the help of printf, and how to take inputs from the console, how to take the dynamic input with the help of scanf. Fine. Now, sir, for cracking the interview, no need to install the any software. Go for the online compilers. Online C compiler. Sir, I'm sharing this link to you. Sir, I'm sharing this link to you. I'm requesting all the people. I'm sharing that link to you. All the people, please go through that link. Fun. Here, I will do something. Here, C program execution starts from main method. C program execution starts from main method. And one more thing, return 0 indicating successful execution. Return 0 indicating successful execution. Fine. Now everyone guys, fine. C program execution starts from where? Main method. And return 0 indicating what? Return 0 indicating successful execution. Fine. Here, how to print the data? How to print the data? Here we need to go for printf. Printf. Welcome to basic environmental setup. Basic environmental setup. And here we have the run button. Please go to the run button. Yes, automatically we are able to see the output. Sir, it's not suggested to install any C software something or no, sir. But our main intention is the, sir, coming to our main intention is the, we need to go for the cracking the interview. That's it. But dynamically we need to run the program. To run the programs dynamically, then we need to go for the online compilers. Simply we need to go to the online compilers again. Next one, and another thing. How to take data dynamically. I wanted to take the data dynamically. How to take the data dynamically? To take the data dynamically, here, see this one. Okay, enough, sir. I think it's not suggested otherwise. Take one int variable. I wanted to take one int variable. Int num equal to 100. Sir, whatever the 100 we have, that 100 stored to num variable. Whatever the 100 we have, that 100 stored to the num variable. Fine. How to print this num? I wanted to print that num. How we can print that num? Printf. Printf here number. Number here we need to go to percentage d. Num percentage d, and here we need to pass the, sir, what you wanted to print here? Num na? Simply we need to pass the num. Whatever the num we have, that num we need to pass here. Sir, automatically we are able to see the number is the 100. Whatever the number we have here, that number is the 100 here. Got it or not? Whatever the number we have here, that number we are able to see here. Got it or not? So to print a number, we need to go for percentage d. Percentage d representing digit. Percentage d representing the digit. So whatever number contain, automatically we are able to display it. Sir, please execute this one. Please write the code for these two things. Harsh, I know you know the Java. Harsh, I know. Harsh, I know you know you are the expert in the Java. But we need to cover all the languages. So C, C++, Java, Python, all the languages. Sir, execute this code, sir. Sir, please execute this code. Whatever the code we have here, please execute this code. Sir, once executed, give the confirmation. Sir, once done, let me know. Sir, everyone need to do along with me, sir, not after the session. Sir, today, yeah. Sir, today I will show the environmental setup and I will go for the pseudo code of at least 1 or 2 programs I will show. Pseudo code also I will explain. So, but before going to that one, let me explain environmental setup. Like some people, they're expert in Java. Whoever expert in the Java, please go to the Java execution. And whoever expert in the C, please go for the C execution. Whoever expert in the Python, you need to go for the Python. But I will choose randomly. I will choose it. Some examples I will execute in C. Some examples I will execute in C++. Some examples I will go for the Java, Python, and the .NET. All the languages I will cover. Sir, let me go for the C++ also. Sir, you need to tell. Someone asked why we need to take the number directly. No, sir. In a C language, you need to give percentage D. Compulsory, sir. If I give percentage D, then only it will execute. Fine. Now, sir, go to the C++. In a C++, how to print the data. So, in the C++, how to print the data. To print the data, we need to go for C out. Sir, this is which language? C++. Sir, some people they are calling what? Some people they are calling what? CPP. Some people they are calling CPP here. Some people they are calling C++ and some people they are calling CPP here. Not an issue. So in the C++, how to display the data? Here we need to go to C out. C out, and here we need to pass. And here we need to pass welcome to cracking of Accenture paper. And we need to place a semicolon. Automatically we are able to display it. To display data, here we have one property, then we have an out property, then that out property we can call C out. So let me go for the C out here. Now here see this one. Here we need to go to observe this one. C out of welcome to cracking of coding. Welcome to cracking of interviews or something we need to pass. And if possible, take one integer variable. I want to take one integer variable. Into num equal to, I need to take the 100. But before printing that one, then check this one. Yes, we're able to see that one. Now check it. Can I place it directly or not? We need to check it. Print what? Num. Yes, we are able to print it. Fine. Now, otherwise, if you are not okay, then place in the separate line also not an issue. How we can place in the separate line? See this one, STD. STD colon. Here STD in the sense standard input and output that is related to C language. Yeah, here we need to pass C out. C out, and here we need to pass the num. Simply we need to pass the num here. Run the code again. automatically we're able to print it. But to see the new line, then slowly we will see how to place the new line, everything we will see it here. No need to worry. Sir, execute this code also. Execute it. I'm requesting all the people, please execute it. Sir, go to the online compiler. Here we have the online compilers. Go to the online compiler. I sent the link also. Sir, once completed, give the message. Sir, it's a two-way communication class. I need the output from the all the people. Everyone need to execute. Don't put your focus on the C, C++, Java or something. No. Our main intention is the cracking the interview paper. So that's it. So I will give basic awareness. I will give the basic awareness how to work with the C language and how to work with the C++ language and how to work with the Java and how to work with the Python. Sir, give the reply. Only 2 members giving the reply. SSV and Rakshit Rao. What about the remaining people? Send the message in the group. Send the message to me directly. We will see it, Anu. Leave it. We will see it. Anu, leave it here. Then new line and everything we will see it. No need to worry. No need to worry. Fine. Next one. I will go to one more language. The language is the Java. We will go to one more language. That is the Java. In a Java, how to display data on console. Coming to the Java. In a Java, how to display data on the console. How we can display? Here we need to see this one, and here we need to go through this one. System dot. Here we have the system dot. Next one, out dot, and here we need to see the println. System dot out dot println. In the system, Neha, I think I need to cover all the languages, Neha. For you, we may not go to the only one language, Neha, because out of all these people, Neha, understand here, out of all these people, some people they're perfect with the C. Some people they're not perfect with the, some people they're perfect with the CPP. Okay, Neha, I can understand. You are saying like non-IT. Not only you, all the people are non-IT. So I will go for only one language. Remaining people, they will convert this logic to their own language. Neha, then stop that discussion. Fine. Now say this one. System is the, in a system, S should be capital. In out, this is the variable. Here we have the println. Here, display some message. Welcome to ExcelR or something we need to place. Then automatically we are able to display the data on the console. Fine. Guys, all the people I'm giving the confirmation again here. I will choose only one language or two language. For example, if for 5 days, if I work with one language, next 5 days, I will go for the another language. Coming to these 1,000 members, whoever attending the session, you people are familiar in one technology, then choose that technology. Otherwise, if you ask me go to the Java, I will go for the Java. If you ask me go to the C language, I will go to the C language. I will take the decision. Don't send any messages. Okay, fine. Here, any language we can take it here, not an issue. Fine. How to display data on the console? Respond. System.out.println of welcome to ExcelR. Fine. How to take the inputs? I want to take the inputs. So how we can take the inputs here? We will take inputs with the help of scanner. Scanner class is used to take the inputs. Fine. Now, how we need to do that one? Go to the online compiler, then check with the Java online compiler. Java online compiler. Go to the online Java compiler. And here, see this one. Here directly go through the code. Which code we need to place? System dot. In the system, S should be capital. Remember that one. System dot out dot println. System dot out dot println of welcome to. Yeah, welcome to coding interview. Welcome to coding interviews. And here we need to run the code. And here we need to run the code automatically. We are able to see the output. Sir, all the people please execute. All the participants please execute it. Yes. Now, done now. Whoever watching on the YouTube also, you people also need to do along with me. Yes, which one? Go through the other thing. Working with the Python. We need to working with the Python. In Python, how to display the data. Here we have print function. We have one function, then that function we can call print function. Print, here we need to go to here, welcome to DSA, data structures and analysis. Just enough, it's enough here. So how to work with the Python? Go to the another thing here, go to the another thing here. Here we need to go to online Python compiler. Here we need to go through the online Python compiler. Here try to see this one. Here simply we need to place print welcome to coding or something. We need to place, click the run button. Yes, automatically we are able to get it up. Execute this one also. Everyone. How many languages we covered? Respond. How many languages we covered? 4. First one, C. Second one, C++. Third one, Java. Fourth one, Python. Now, try to see this one. Sir, I will take one problem directly. Darshan, I want to go for the C++ Darshan. Darshan, I will go for the DSA, data structures and analysis, and Accenture question paper. We won't discuss any C++. Fine. Next one. See the another thing here. Here I need to go to the one problem directly. Now, Here the problem is this is the problem statement. Write pseudocode. Pseudocode for write a pseudocode for addition of two numbers. Write a pseudocode for addition of two numbers. Fine. How? How to write the pseudocode? Guys, let me continue. Guys, let me continue with the session. Taslim Khan. Let me continue the session. Fine. I will choose only one language. Taslim. I will choose only one language. No need to worry. Fine. Write a pseudocode for addition of two numbers. So how we need to start it? Fine. While writing the pseudocode, initially you need to place the start keyword. There's a start keyword. Every start keyword contain the end keyword also. Every start keyword contain the end keyword also. Sir, these are the predefined. Every start keyword contain the end keyword also. Sir, can you tell what is our problem? Sir, what is our problem statement? Addition of two numbers or not? Our problem statement is the addition of two numbers. How? See this one. Here how? We need to declare three variables na. Sir, we need to declare the three variables na. One variable for num1, another variable for num2, another variable for result. One variable for what? One variable for num1, one variable for num2, and one variable for the result. Sir, why variable? Variables are used to store the data. Variables are used to store the data. So I need three variables. Say this one. Declare. Sir, say this one. Pseudocode in the sense rough code idea. Dikshita, pseudocode in the sense some rough like a blueprint. Blueprint before writing the actual code. Dikshita, are you okay? Blueprint. Blueprint before writing the original code. That is called as the pseudocode. Fine. Next one. Declare three variables. Num1 is used to store the first value. Fine. Guys, let me disable the chart here. Let me disable the chart. Chandana, disable the chart after a few minutes, then we can enable, because they are not allowing us to continue. Keep on sending the questions here. Fine. Next one. See this one. Declare num1, comma, num2, comma, sum. Sum. What is the data type? What is the data type? Can you tell the data type here? The data type is the integer data type. We need to pass the data type here. The data type is the integer data type here. Yes or not? So we need to take the three variables, guys. We need to take the three variables here. So how to take the three variables? In the pseudocode. In the pseudocode, we need to go for the keyword. Guys, once again, I'm repeating here. Pseudocode in the sense of blueprint. Blueprint before writing the original code. Any language. It's not related to C, C++, Java.NET. This is the blueprint. Blueprint before writing the actual code by using any language. C, C++, Java, .NET, any language. Now see this one here. Here, how many variables we need to declare? Three variables we need to declare. See this one here. First variable is the X variable, and second variable is the Y variable, and third variable is the Z variable. Third variable is the Z variable. And as what is the data type? Can I tell the data type here? Data type is the integer data type here. Fine. X variable is used to store the first number. Y variable is used to store the second number. Z variable is used to store the result. Is used to store the result. Fine. We need to take the input or not. Guys, we need to take the input or not. We need to take the input. First of all, we need to display one message or not. Display. Display. We need to display one thing. Enter which one? Enter first number. Simply, we need to go to enter first number here. And we need to take that one. Input. Input That number we need to store to where? That number we need to store to which variable? X variable. Now, here we need to go to display, enter, enter, which number? Enter which number here? Enter, we need to enter second number. Simply, we need to go to enter second number. Enter second number. Simply, we need to go to enter second number. Now, here we need to take the input. Input, we need to take the Y. And here we need to go to the result. How we need to calculate the result? Z equal to, Z equal to what? Z equal to X plus 5. Z equal to X plus 5. Automatically, we're able to display the result here. Next one, here. And one more thing is, guys, Z contain what? Guys, Z contain what? Anyone? Z contain what? Can I tell Z here? Z coming to the Z contain the result or not? Z contain the result here. Here, display message like the sum of numbers. The sum of numbers is Z. Simply, we need to place the Z. And here we need to close the end. Fine. Once again, I'm repeating here. Pseudo code. Once again, I'm repeating here. Pseudo code means blueprint. Blueprint before writing the main logic. That logic you may write in C language, C++ language, Java, .NET, it doesn't matter. Fine. Please note down this one. Please note down this one. I'm requesting all the people, please note down this one. First program, please note down this one. First program, first pseudo code, around I will cover around 100 plus pseudo codes I will cover, like a bubble sort, linear search, merge sort, and everything I will cover here. First of all, let me explain the pseudo code here. After the pseudo code, then we need to go for the main coding. Sir, please note down that one. Yes. Sir, now let me go through the coding also. How we can do the coding. Sir, can I choose the C language? Sir, can I choose the C language? Yes, let me choose the C language. Don't object us. Don't go for the C++, Java, Python. Don't go through that one. Please go through the C language. Yes. Now, in the C language, yeah. First of all, declare how many variables. Response, sir. How many variables we should declare? We should declare 3 variables. Am I right or not? So, what are the variables? Int x comma y comma z. From 3 variables we need to take. Fine. Can we take the input number? Can we take the input? Can I display one message? Yes, sir. How to display the message? How to display the message? Printf. Printf what? Printf enter number 1. Enter number 1. Some message we need to place again. Fine. How to read this number? Sir, tell me how to read this number. I want to read this number dynamically. How we can read this number dynamically? Scanf. Sir, scanf. And here we need to go to, sir, we need to read the digit now. We need to read the digit. So that's why we need to go for the percentage t. Sir, this number we need to store to x na. Tell me, sir, whatever the number you are entering here, that number we need to store to x. Sir, how to store to x? And x. Where is the and symbol? And x. Sir, whatever the number you are entering dynamically, then where is the setting? You are asking the setting. Guys, where is the color here? Can I tell the color? Where can I change the color? Color theme. Okay, fine. Not an issue. Now try to say this one. Whatever the number we are entering, that number stored to x with the help of AND operator. That's the meaning. Now, take the second number. We need to take the second number. How to take the second number? Printf, and here we need to go to enter num2. Enter num2. Enter num2. Fine. Next one. Yeah, next one. Enter num2. Here we need to go to scanf. Sir, how to store that data to the y? Sir, how to store that data to the y? Sir, answer. Percentage D. Sir, answer. And y. Percentage D and y here. Percentage D and y. So, whatever the number we have, that number stored to the y. Fine. Next one. Sir, how to calculate the result? Sir, how to calculate the result? Can you answer me? How to calculate the result? Z equal to x plus y. Z equal to x plus y. Automatically, we will calculate the result. Fine. After calculating the result, how to print the result? I wanted to print the result. How we can print the result here? Can you help me how to print the result here? Anyone? How to print the result? Here simply we need to go for the printf. Printf, see this one here, addition, percentage D, percentage D, and here we need to go for the Z. Whatever the Z we have, that Z we are able to print it up. Fine. And here another thing is we need to return the 0 na. Return 0 means what? Successful execution. Return 0 means return 0 indicating the successful execution. Try it. What happened? We will see. Yes. Enter number 1. Enter number 2. Addition is the 30. Fine. Guys, please execute it. You people need to execute it. Darshan, place it now. Darshan, place it. Darshan, place it. Place the 1 or 100 something. Place it. Darshan already told this is the environmental setup, Darshan. Just we are doing the environmental setup. We are not here to discuss the C language. I hope you can understand this point. Sir, never say I'm from the non-IT background. Non-IT people also, they can understand. Never say, sir, I'm the non-IT. I'm not understand. Never say that words. Even though non-IT people also, they can understand. Fine. Rudra, execute with the C, Rudra. Rudra, please execute with the C because I'm writing the code now. Rudra Jeshwar, I am writing the code now. In front of you, we are writing the code now. ExcelR writing the code in front of you now. ExcelR writing the code in front of you. Live coding. Then you should execute. Don't be in the safe zone with a particular language. Be comfortable with all the languages. Rudra, that is my suggestion. Now check the code. Check the code. Pujita, check the code. Already I am showing the code. Already I am showing the code. Check the code. And is nothing but the storing the data. And is nothing but the storing the data. Whatever the number you are entering, this number stored to X through this and is nothing but the referring. And is nothing but referring. Sneha already told us, Sneha already told our session not related to C, C++, Java. Our session related to pseudo code. Sneha, we can write in the singular, not only that one. All the 13 lines of code, we can make it as a 2 lines of code. We can get the output. Please give the confirmation. If few people done the coding, please give the confirmation. Once if few people done the coding, please give the confirmation. Vaishnavi, the code displays in front of you. Vaishnavi, the code displays in front of you. Yes. Sir, can I go to the other pseudo code? Sir, can I go to the other pseudo code? Other pseudo code. Can I go to the other pseudo code? Let me go to the other pseudo code. Fine. Here I need to go to one more pseudo code. Basic code, sir. Just you people need to get the awareness, sir. Fine. And one more pseudo code. Write pseudo code. To check positive number or negative number. To check positive number or negative number. Whether the given number is positive number or negative number. Yeah. Sir, can you help me? Sir, you people need to help. Sir, please help me, sir. Pseudocode. Pseudocode, tell me here. You people need to tell. Pseudocode starts with. Sir, pseudocode starts with what? Start, na? Start. Yeah. Sir, some people. Yes, sir. Sir, some people, they will use the start keyword. And some people in the interview, especially in the Accenture interview, they're giving begin also. Both are same, sir. Both are same. Start or begin or both are same. Fine. Every begin contain end na. Every begin contain end na. Every begin contain end here. Fine. We need to take one number as the input na. We need to take one number as the input na. Respond. We need to take one number as the input here. Yes or not? How? See this one. Declare. Answer. You people need to tell. Can I declare one number? Can I declare one number? Declare num. Num as what? Answer as what? As integer. As integer here. Next one. And another thing. And another thing is the here. Can you help me here? We need to take one display message na. Display. Display. Which message? Display which message? Enter. Display which message? Enter number. Enter number. Display enter number, something we need to take it here. Fine. And how to take it? How to take that one here? Input. Input to which variable? Input to num variable. Simply, we need to take the input to num variable here. Fine. Now see this one. Here, we need to take a if condition. Like a conditional. Like we need to write the solution based on the conditional. So, if every if contain end also. End of if statement. End of if statement. Fine. Here, if num greater than 0. If num greater than 0. Here, we need to go to then. Then, here we should be in a position, we need to display here. Here, what you wanted to display? Display positive number. Display which number? Display positive number. Display positive number. Now, here we need to take one more condition. We need to take one more condition. Else if, here we need to go to the else if. Else if num less than 0, num less than 0. Here we need to go for then. Then here we need to go to display. Display the given number is the negative number. Negative number. Fine. And here we need to go to else. Else. Given number is the display. Display. Given number is the 0. Given number is 0. So this is the pseudocode. Fine. First time, whoever listening the first time, you may feel some little bit new. You people may feel a little bit new here. Whoever listening the first time here. Fine. But anyhow, if you take the pen and a paper, if you draft this one, my recommendation is the take the pen and a paper and draft the same flow. If you draft with the help of pen and paper, in the future, while seeing the same kind of questions in the Accenture paper or any other company paper, you may not feel difficulty. Fine. Sir, do this one. Write the code, sir. I'm expecting, write this is pseudo code. I'm expecting from all the faculty, not faculties like, I'm expecting from all the participants, please write this code into your booklet. Nikita, join the session at 8:30 at that time. Then you can get the attendance link. Then you can get the attendance. Then you can drop it again. Nikita, join the session after the 8:30. Then ExcelR people, they will share the attendance link. Then you can mark your attendance. Then you can leave it. I'm requesting all the people, please note down this one. Please take the pen and paper. Take the pen and paper and please write the pseudo code. Then we will go for the coding. Sir, can I go for the coding? Sir, once done, give the confirmation, sir. Sir, once completed, give the confirmation. Can I go for the coding? Yes, go through the coding. Sir, can I go to the C language? Yes, sir. C or Java, sir. I think if you're feeling comfortable here, then I will move to the Java itself. If you are feeling comfortable. If you're feeling comfortable, then I will go for the Java because I seen the so many question papers. They're asking C and the Java only. Fine. Once again, I'm requesting here, Malesh. Once again, I'm requesting you. Our session related to logical questions only, not C and C++, Java and Python. Okay, na? If I write code in the Java, you need to convert that code to C, Mr. Malesh. Fine. Now go to the Java here. We need to go to the Java or something here. Go to the Java or something here. Fine. Same thing. In the Java also we have the same thing here. We don't have any different things, sir. Into num. I want to take one number. The number is the int num. Display one message. I wanted to display one message. System dot. Previously, what I'm using print. Previously, I'm using the printf or something I'm using. Now I need to go for the system dot out dot println. System dot out dot println of enter number. Enter number and to read number dynamically. To read number dynamically. Here we have scanner class. Here what we have? Here we have the scanner class. Scanner class is used to read the data dynamically. Fine. Scanner equal to scanner equal to new scanner and here we need to go to system.in. I'm requesting once again here, don't to put your focus on this code. Never put your focus on this code here. Now try to say this one. Read data dynamically. Fine. Whatever the data you are reading dynamically, that data we need to store to number not. Whatever the data you are reading dynamically, that data we need to store to num or not. We need to store to num. How we can store to the num here? We need to store to the num. How we can store num equal to scanner data next enter. Scanner dot next enter. So whatever the number we entered dynamically, that number automatically stored to num. Fine. Next one here. Tell the logic here. You people should tell the logic here. If if num greater than 0, if num greater than 0, go to which one? Here we need to go to system.out.println. System.out.println. Then the number we can call positive number. Whatever the number we have, then that number we can call positive number. Next one. Here we have another thing. Else, say this one. Whatever the number we have, not else here, else if num less than 0, then that number we can call, negative number, and here else condition here, then you entered 0. You entered 0 here. Fine. Now run the code here. Reshma, requesting Reshma, I'm requesting you. Reshma, I'm requesting you. Now One second. Scanner is not available, then we need to import the scanner. I need to import it here. How we can import it here? Import java.io package. Take the scanner class. Where is the scanner class? Util package, no? Wait here. It is there in the util package. Java.util package. Yes. Enter the number here. I need to enter the number. Here we need to enter the number here. 10. Then the given number is the positive number. Now, here we need to go to the enter the 20. We need to enter the minus 10. Minus 10 here. The given number is the negative number. Now, see this one here. Enter the 0 here. I need to enter the 0. So you entered the 0. Fine. Execute it. Execute this logic. Sir, once executed, give the confirmation. Once if it is executed, give the confirmation. You people need to execute this code. Sir, the code in front of you, sir, never send the message like sir getting the error. The code in front of you, we are displaying code in front of you. Sir, I will cover one more person sent the message. I will cover all the logical questions. Don't expect all the last questions in the day one. So in the first 5 days, I will cover all the logical questions with the pseudo code. Remember that point. In the first 5 sessions, I will cover all the logical questions with the pseudo codes. Few pseudo codes I will cover, like a factorial, prime number, like a perfect number. Next one is the Armstrong number. Everything we will cover it, sir. Everything we will cover it. No need to worry. Sir, out of 1,000 members, are around 1,000 members are there in the session. Only 10 members are doing along with me. No, everyone, whoever participating. Bhanu Gita, Bhanu Gita. So all the people, sir, all the people, you people need to take it. Guys, whoever, some people, they have some favorite subjects. Please come out from that danger zone. Never say, sir, my favorite subject is the C. My favorite subject is the C++. No, sir. As a software engineer, we should be dynamic. We should be in a dynamic mode. We should be in a dynamic mode. We are ready to write code for any program. Remember that point, sir. Never say C is my favorite language. C++, not like that, sir. Fine. Sir, I'm expecting one more assessment from you. Write a pseudo code for even or odd. Write a pseudo code for even or odd. So write a pseudo code for even or odd. So write it. So write it, sir. Once if you write the pseudocode, share the screenshot in the chat box. Write a pseudocode for even or odd. I'm expecting here pseudocode here. Leodas, first of all, write the code here. DSA mandatory for the all the people. So write the pseudocode with a pen and a paper and share the screenshot to us. Sir, don't type in the chat message. Don't type in the chat message. Take the pen and paper. Take the pen and paper and write it. Sir, everyone, I'm expecting the output from all the people. Just 5 minutes, sir. Don't take the much time. Just 5 minutes. San, I'm asking the pseudocode to read data dynamically. Sultana, to read data dynamically because I wanted to enter the number. Sultana, the answer for your question. I wanted to enter the data dynamically. So that is my requirement. Sultana, that is my requirement. Declare num1 as integer. Yes. Display someone center. Display enter the new number. Yes. Input now. What happened? Only 3 members, guys. So 1,000 members are attending. Out of 1,000 members, only 3 members are sent. Pratiksha, you need to maintain the indentation. Pratiksha, maintain the indentation. Like don't write everything in the left side. Pratiksha, you got it now? Don't write everything in the left side. You people need to maintain the indentation. Sultana, dynamical in the sense I am entering the data. I am entering the data. Number is not fixed. First time I entered 10. Second time I entered a -100. Third time I entered the 0. This right answer. Someone doing that one? Jyotika, right answer. What about the remaining people? Only 10 members are started, guys. So only 10 members. What about the remaining people? Only 10 members sent the message. Not code, guys. Don't send the code. Never send the code. I don't need the code. I don't need the code. I need only pseudo code. In the interview, they will ask the pseudo code. They will give one problem to you. They will ask you write the pseudo code. Never send the logic. Never send the logic. Nishit, only begin is there, na? Begin and also both are there, na? Nishita. Why you are charting here, Nishita? Take the pen and paper and do that for now. Nishita. Yes. So guys, can I show the code? Guys, can I go through the code? Let me go through the code. Fine. how to write the snippet. I need to write the snippet. Fine. Here, comment this code. Whatever the previous code we have, this previous code I need to comment it. Comment the previous code. Comment in the sense of this code won't execute. Whatever the code we have, this code won't execute. Just comment that code here. Fine. Next one. Here try to see the another thing. We need to see the another thing here. Here we need to see the another thing here. So take one number, int num, display one message. I wanted to display one message. How we can display? System dot out dot println. System dot out dot println. Here enter number. Enter number. And another thing. One more thing is the, can I create scanner object? Can I create a scanner object? Answer. Can I create a scanner object? Yes. How can we create the scanner object? This code. This code is nothing but read the data dynamically. To read data dynamically, then we are taking the scanner object. Fine. Store the data to the num. How to store the data to the num? Anyone? Num equal to scanner data. Scanner dot which one? Scanner dot next enter. Automatically we will read the number. Next one. If num percentile 2 modular 2, if num percentile 2 equal to 0, equal to 0 here. Now here we need to go to system dot out dot println of system dot out dot println of, then we can call even number. Even number. So I think if you are feeling like difficulty, then delete it, not an issue. Fine. Now here else condition. Else condition is the, go to the else condition. System dot out dot println of odd number. Odd number. Odd number. Now run the code. We should be in a position we need to run the code. Yes. Enter the number. Number is the 10. Even number. Now run the code again here. Now number is the 9. Number is the odd number. And guys, execute the code. Now I think if you wanted to place, you can place it. 0 also you can place it. 0 also I think then take the another statement. What's the problem? Nishit, take the another statement, not an issue. Reshma, you need the slow na? Reshma, you need the slow na, Reshma? Yes, we will go for slowly. Still slow, we need to maintain. No. First execute this code. Guys, once execution completed, send the message to me. Yes, Leodas. Yes. Can I move to other example? Can I move to the other example? Yes. Let me move to the other example. Fine. So, very simple example I will explain. Then I hope you need to understand. 1, 2, 3. I have one number. I have one number. What is that number? 1, 2, 3. Reverse it. I wanted to reverse it. How to reverse it? 3, 2, 1. If I reverse, answer is the 3 to 1 or not? Answer is the 3 to 1. So, how to reverse given a number? How to reverse given a number? So, that is our target. Okay, how? See this one. Let me take one variable. Guys, check with my speed also. If everyone okay, then I will maintain the same tempo. Otherwise, I will go for still slow. Fine. Guys, the speed okay na? Yes. Now, Reshma, see this one. Take one number. Int num equal to 123. Int num equal to 123. We need to do plus. Next one. Here. Int reverse equal to. Int reverse equal to. I wanted to place the 0. Int reverse equal to. Int reverse equal to. I wanted to place the 0. So guys, how many integer variables we taken? How many integer variables we are taking? 2 integer variables. Reshma, 2. Where is the 3? 2 integer variables. Num equal to 1 to 3. Reverse equal to 0. Fine. I will do this one. How to get last number? Coming to myself, I wanted to get a last number. This is a last number na? This is a last number. Triveni still slow na? Fine. Say this one. How to get last number? Triveni, say this one. 123. In 123, what is last digit? Triveni, in the 123, what is the last digit? What is the last digit? 3. So, how to get that last digit? See this one. Int last equal to num module 10. Num module 10. Whenever we place the num modulus 10, automatically we will get the last number. Triveni. Now last to contain what now? Reshma, last to contain what? 3 or not? 3. Add this 3 to reverse. Add this 3 to reverse. I want you to add this 3 to the reverse. How we can add here? See this one. Reverse equal to reverse into 10. Reverse into 10 plus last. Reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus last. So reverse contain what? Reshma, tell me reverse contain what? 0. 0 into 10, 0. 0 plus 3, 3. Finally, reverse contain what? Finally, reverse contain 3. Fun. After adding, delete last number. I wanted to delete the last number. How we can delete the last number? Try to say this one. Here, num equal to num by 10. Num equal to num by 10. Whenever we call the num equal to num by 10, automatically last number will be deleted. Reshma, respond. Triveni, respond. Are you okay with this one? Are you okay with this one? Yes. Same process we should do for second number and first number na. Same process we should do for second number and first number also. Second number and first number also. And how we can do? How we can do? So don't write the code 3 times. Never write the code 3 times. To do same process a number of times. First time, second time, third time. We have loops. We have one concept. Then that concept we can call loops. So simply take the while loop. While num not equal to 0. Num not equal to 0. So whatever the code we have, this code will execute up to this condition. Up to this condition. To execute business logic. To execute business logic number of times. In order to execute business logic number of times, we have loops concept. Fine. Now, please note down this code. Please note down this rough code. Are any confusion to understand this one? Now, Bhavani, you need to answer Bhavani. Bhavani, how to get last number? Bhavani, how to get the last number? This code is used to get the last number. And that last number, I wanted to add to reverse. How we can add this code? This code is used to add that number to the reverse. And how to delete the last number? Num by 10. Num by 10 is used to delete the last number. Bhavani got it or not? Get the last number. Add that number to the reverse. Delete the last number. Chandan Pal, respond Chandan Pal. Chandan Pal, respond. Are you okay with the logic? Are you people okay with the logic? Once again, explanation in the sense, now I told like 3 times. Nishit, I told like 3 times. Nishit, according to your level, we want Nishit. Then go to the only one loop. Don't ask like a for loop, do while loop. Our thing is the only logic. Fine. Now go through the execution also. I need you to go through the execution. Fine. Now go through the execution, delete this code. I need you to delete this code. Whatever the code we have, that code I need you to delete. Fine. Here, can I take one number variable? Can I take one number variable? Is int number. Int number. Can I display helper message, helper prompt? How to display helper prompt? System dot responder. System dot out dot println. Println, here we need to go through the enter number. Enter number. How to read a number dynamically? How to read a number dynamically? Scanner equal to scanner equal to new scanner. New scanner of, and here we need to go to system.in. System.in. Now store this number, dynamic number, to the num itself. How we can store? Num equal to what? Num equal to scanner dot next int. Reshma, I think the same code I repeated 3 times in the today session. Same code repeated. Don't feel confusion here. After the session, do that one. Raj, it's not possible to explain again and again. Raj, it's not possible to explain again and again. Fine. Next one. Say this one here. Raj, after that one, watch the YouTube, then you can get the clarity, because I explained the logic 2 times. Raj, you are asking explain again. So anyhow, the session is recorded. You have the recorded session. So please go to recorded session, then you can get the clarity. Still not getting in the tomorrow session, ask the question, then I will help you. Fine. Now, here say this one. Whatever the number we have, this number, I want to store to one more also. It's additional step. This is additional step. Whatever the number we have, that number I need to store to original number also for the other purpose. Now, here int reverse equal to int reverse equal to 0. Simply we need to see the int reverse equal to 0. Fine. Can I take the loop here? While num not equal to 0. While num not equal to 0. How to get last number? Respond. How to get last number? Into last equal to num percentile 10. Add that last to reverse. How we can add that last to the reverse? Reverse equal to reverse into 10. Reverse into 10 plus reverse into 10 plus what? Last. And another thing, delete last number. How to delete last number? Num equal to num by 10. Num equal to num by 10. So automatically we can delete the last number. So finally it contain the reversed number now. If reverse number equivalent to original number, if reverse number equivalent to original number, then that number we can call palindrome number. If reversed number equivalent to original number, then that number we can call palindrome number. Fine. Now say this one. How we need to say this one? If reversed number equal to original number, then that number what do you call? Can anyone help me? Then that number what do you call? Whatever the number we have, then that number we can call palindrome number. Palindrome number. Now here else condition. Else condition is the here not palindrome. Not palindrome. Not palindrome number. Now run the code. Here I need to enter the 111. Enter the 111. Palindrome or execute again here. I want to execute again. Now here I need to enter the 123. Is it a palindrome? Not a palindrome. If reversed number equivalent to original number, then that number we can call palindrome number. Fine. Execute this logic. Once executed, give the confirmation. completed na? Once completed, give the confirmation. Once completed, give the confirmation. What happened, guys? Only 5 to 6 members are executing. No, everyone need to execute. All the logics I will cover. Prime number, factorial, perfect number, Armstrong number, everything I will cover. Only 10 to 15 members are active in the session. Around out of 1000 members, only 20 members are executing. Rashma output. Where is the output, Rashma? Akhil, where you are getting the confusion, Akhil? Where you are getting the confusion? Akhil, say this one. Akhil, 3 times I explained, Akhil. Read last number. Add last number to reverse. Delete last number. Only 3 lines now. Get the last number. Add last number to reverse. Delete last number. Why confusion? Why confusion? Akhil. Fine. Next one. See the another thing here. I need to go through the one more example here. Like a swapping of numbers. Let me go for the swapping of numbers. How we can swap it? Can I continue or can I wait for some time? Can I continue or can I wait? Then take the snapshot of this code. Whoever in the pending mode, please take the snapshot of this code. You people need to take the snapshot. Next one. Go to the other example. We need to go to the other example. Try to go to the other example. Swapping of 2 numbers. Swapping of 2 numbers. How to swap 2 numbers? I need to swap the 2 numbers. How we can swap the 2 numbers? Let me swap the 2 numbers again. Now check this one. Here, take 2 numbers. Int number 1 equal to 100. Int number 1 equal to 100. Int number 2 equal to 50. Fine. Next one. Bhavani, what is the num 1? Bhavani, what is the num 1? Num 1 is the 100. What is the num 2? Num 2 is the 50. Yes or not? Here I will do something. Here I will do something here. Int temp equal to into temp equal to number 1. Into temp equal to number 1. Reshma, 100 store to where? Reshma, 100 store to where? Whatever the 100 we have, that 100 store to temp. The 100 store to temp. Now say this one. Int, not int. Now, number 2. Num2 equal to, what's the num2? Num2 equal to, anyone, can anyone tell here? Num1 store to where? Num1 store to where? Num1 store to temp. Now, num2. Num2 should contain what? Num2 should contain, no, num1. Num1 equal to, it's wrong. Num1 equal to num2. Num1 equal to num2. Num2 equal to temp. Num2 equal to temp. Not sana, no need to take the temperature. You can take the xyz variable. That is one variable, one temporary variable. Fine. Now see this one. Tempo contain what? Tempo contain what? Anyone? Tempo contain what? Respond to tempo contain what? 100. Tell the value. Tempo contain what? 100. Number 1 contain what? Number 1 contain what? 50. Number 1 contain 50. Number 2 contain what? Num2 contain what? 100. Num2 contain 100. Now, here see this one. Here, sys out of sys out of before swapping. Before swapping. SSP? Yes, right answer. Before swapping. Number 1. Num1 plus num1 here plus num2 colon plus num2. There's a before swapping. Next one. Go to the after swapping. Here I need you to go to the after swapping. After swapping. Okay, Sai, end the session. You can leave it. Sai, you can leave it. So before swapping 100, 50. After swapping 50, 100. Yes. Execute this code. What to go to Sai? You can leave it. What to go to Sai? Once completed, give the confirmation. Then I will go for the one more logic with you. Then I will explain one more logic with you. Yes. Can I go to the other logic? Let me go to the one more logic here. Let me go through the one more logic there. Take the two numbers again. Take the two numbers again. Fine. After taking the two numbers, print the two numbers. Print the two numbers. Now, here, swap without any temp variable. How we can do this one? Num1 equal to num1 plus num2. Num1 equal to num1 plus num2. Next one. Here, num2 equal to here we need to go to the num2. Num2 equal to num1 minus num2. And here, num1 equal to coming to the num1. Num1 equal to num1 minus num2. Num1 minus num2. So this is also one more logic. This is also one more logic. Without using any third party variable, we can perform the swapping. Now execute the same code. I hope we are able to see the same result. Yes. Now observe this one. You people need to say this one. You people need to say this one. What is the num1 here? What is the num1 here? What is the num1? Respond. What is the num1? Num1 plus num2. What is the num1 plus num2? 150. Now num1 contain what? 150. 150 minus 50. 150 minus 50. What is the answer? 100. 100. Now here 150 minus 100. 150 minus 100. What is the answer? 50. This is before swapping. This is after swapping. Now execute it. Before joining the tomorrow session, I'm expecting pseudo code for this one, like a swapping of two numbers. I'm expecting the pseudo code of this swapping of two numbers. And what is the previous program? Can you tell the previous program? What is the previous program? Previous palindrome. Palindrome number. Write the code for the palindrome also. Reverse and palindrome, both are same. Execute this code. Whoever complete, we get the confirmation message with the chart. No, whoever completed, write the code for highest of three numbers. Find the highest of three numbers. I will give three numbers to you. In that three numbers, you need to find the highest number. Find the highest of three numbers. Find the highest of three numbers. You can use the ternary operator. Na? Aditya Sai, you can use the ternary operator. So many solutions are there. Both, you need to write both pseudo code and Sultana. Which one you are getting confusion? Sultana? Sultana, which one you are getting confusion? Sultana, let me know. Num1, num2. No need to take the num1, num2. Take the x comma y. You can take the x comma y. Sultana, no need to take the num1 comma num2. You can take the x comma y also. Like find the highest number among the three. Why Vaishnavi? Why this question, Vaishnavi? I'm not understanding your question. Your question is the English or Hindi? Vaishnavi, I'm asking the reverse question to you. Which language is preferred? I'm asking the reverse question to you. In the companies, which language they're using? In the companies, are they using Hindi? In the companies, are they using Hindi? Vaishnavi? They're using Hindi na in the companies, like while communicating or something. That's the answer, Vaishnavi. Answer also you know na? Answer also you know na? Cool, Suresh. In the companies, are they using Hindi or English for the communication language? Suresh, cool, Suresh. You are saying like Hindi. In the companies, which language they're using? Suresh, English, not Hindi. Yes. Write the code for highest of three numbers. Or after will come in place before after swapping. Okay, fine. Yeah. Here you need to place after swapping. It's wrong, na mistake. It's SSP, right answer. SSP, that's the right answer. Sir, can I go with the same tempo, same speed? No issue, na? Are you learning something? Are you people learning something? Just send the yes or no, guys. Are you people learning something? Yes. Cool, Suresh, you are learning the small thing, na? Yes. Now, slowly we will enter with all the logical questions. All the logical questions. Within 5 days, we need to solve some questions on the in the Accenture paper. 3 to 4 days, I will cover the only logics like Armstrong number. These numbers are there. These questions I will cover first to 4 to 5 days along with the pseudo codes. Rishita, so many non-IT students are there. I hope you can understand. Rishita, in the class, so many non-IT students also there. This class for all the people. Chandana, you can hand over the session. Chandana, are you there now?
Yes, yes,
You
I'm
can
here
hand.
only. Thank you. Yes, students, I'm sharing the attendance link. If you missed out your attendance, please mark it now. And any more questions, you can ask me in the chat box here. Yeah, Leo. What's your question? How can I track my attendance? Like you will get to know, right? Like, how many days you marked your attendance. So like that, you have to track your attendance. Yeah, if you don't have any queries, you can leave the session. Okay, fine. I didn't see any more questions here in the chat box. Yeah, Manoj, what's your question? Okay. So thank you for joining. We'll meet on tomorrow. Yeah, up to then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you, Sambas.